This guy's name is Alisher Fazilov, and he's very uncomfortable looking for a pass to enter the campus. My name is Isakov, and we together with Alisher know how to improve the access system. We will create an access control system based on face recognition. It's simple. Your face is enough. Using a pass is inconvenient when your hands are busy, and it lies somewhere deep in your bag. We face the same problem when we go to university. We will also create the system for recognizing students' fatigue based on their emotions and position at the desk. Using a special camera, student fatigue will be monitored. The system will inform the teacher that most of the audience is tired. Therefore, it's time to take a break. We want to use deep neural network learning and computer vision for innovative solutions that will help make students' life better.